Let's talk about some of the shortcomings of traditional welding gloves. Would it be the lack of comfort, control, or endurance? Let me introduce you to Kontour, a form-fitting technology that's built into Caiman welding gloves. Kontour is an exclusive three-dimensional, form-fitting design where the glove shell patterns are cut to better match the hand. The end result? A superior fitting glove to maximize dexterity and control. Kontour can be found in many Caiman branded gloves, but we'll be discussing how it pertains to welding gloves and driver styles. If you look at traditional gun pattern welding gloves and driver's gloves, they're really quite flat and straight. If you look at your hand, it has this natural curve right here. It also has this curved crease line across the palm and the slope between the fingers. Kontour addresses all these nuances. It's this Caiman Kontour design feature that makes Caiman welding gloves a superior performing product.